In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cool looking YouTube intro for your YouTube videos for free that doesn't have any watermark. So let's get started. Alright, so you have to head on over to the video description where I've put a link which you have to click on. That is the link to this site, that is Panzoid. Now this Panzoid is a website where you can create all kinds of really cool intros. And here I'm going to select this one right here. Now all you gotta do is as soon as you've clicked on the link, it'll take you to this website right here. Now here you can click on more creations. Now I'm just going to click on more creations. And you can select the type of intro you want. I'm just going to scroll down and we've got a lot of intros right here. You can select the intro you want. I'm just going to select this one right here that says Supreme Laura Red Intro. I'm going to select that and then just click on Open in Clip Maker. Right after that, will open up a new tab. You just have to wait for it to completely load up. And then just click on this icon right here. And then you can play just to make sure you've got the right intro. Just to make sure you like that intro, I'm just going to play it. And now as you can see, this is how my intro starts up. And that's how my intro looks like, which is pretty cool. Now all I'm going to do is on the left side, you have to click on this icon. That is the cube icon right here. Just click on that. And then here we've got the group name right here. Just select the text right here. It says text : so select that. Just select that once. You can just change the text to whatever you want. I'm going to set it to SahimTech. I'm going to select the next text right here. Once again, I'm going to set that to SahimTech as well. And you can just hit enter. Make sure you hit enter. If you don't hit enter, it won't save it up. SahimTech once again, hit enter. You can even change the colors if you want by selecting the colors right here. I'm going to select to light blue, bluish kind of color right here. I'm going to select this color also to a bluish color. And just click on choose. Right after that, I'm just going to click on this download icon right here. Just click on the download icon. And here's where you can just change the format. I'm going to select it to MKV. You can even select the quality of your video if you want it to be fastest render. That is a low quality, balanced quality, good quality, or extreme quality. But if you select that, it'll take a long time to render. I'm going to select fastest render just to make the video fast. I'll click on start video render. You just have to wait for it to completely render your footage. As soon as it's done rendering your video, all you gotta do is click on download your video by clicking on this button right here, and then it'll start downloading your video in the bottom left corner of your screen. Just select the location where you want to save it. I'm just gonna save it on this folder right here where I made a folder earlier. That is intro. Select it and just click on save. You can even rename it to anything you want. Just click on save. Right after that, in the bottom left corner once again, just open it up. And you can just have a look at your intro. So let me just look. And this is our cool looking intro we just made. As you can see, we've got the SahimTech logo right here, the text right here. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. Now finally, I'm just going to show one more example of making a YouTube intro in this website once again. So I'm going to close all of this. And here I'm just going to scroll up. And I'm going to select this intro right here that says template once again. This is another intro that says orange sick intro. I'm going to select that. And then just click on open in Clip Maker once again. And then just wait for it to load up the site in a new tab. And right after that, click on the eye icon. And then just click on this cube icon right here. Just drag it to the bottom. And then just select this right here. As you can see, we've got text right here. Select it. And you can just type anything you want. I'm going to select SahimTech once again. Hit enter. Select this one. Type in SahimTech. Hit enter. Select the other one, hit SahimTech, and then hit enter. You can type in anything you want, and then you can even select this color, and you can even select the color to anything you want. So I'm just going to keep it at orange. You can just play it to have a look. Just have a look at the preview of your intro. So here, as you can see, this is how my intro looks like. Now I'm just going to click on the download button right here, and then once again, I'm going to click on start video render. Just wait for it to completely render that footage. Now as soon as it's done rendering, just click on this button right here, download your video. And then once again, just save it onto your computer. I'm going to save it on the same location. Click on save. And just click on in the bottom left corner, just click on that and then just have a look at your cool looking intro. So as you can see, this is the intro we just created. And yeah guys, that's it on this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. If you have any questions, you can put it down in the comment section below. And please hit the subscribe button to support me. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.